If you've ever searched how to make money online, then you've probably seen those videos that promise $500 in one day, only to show you websites that stopped working since 2018. So let's fix that right now. Today, I will show you 5 legitimate websites that actually pay you in USD. And most importantly, I will show you how to safely cash out your earnings using Airtm without stress or shady exchanges. These are real platforms, tested and still paying in 2025. No fake screenshots, no get rich overnight stories. Just real ways to earn small dollars consistently and grow from there. So if you've ever wondered how do I get paid in dollars from Nigeria or anywhere in Africa, this video will answer it step by step. Let's be honest, the internet is one big money machine, but most people only scroll and post memes. There are thousands of microtasks and earning platforms that pay users for doing small but useful online tasks. Things like solving captchas, watching videos, taking surveys, testing apps, or even helping AI tools improve. Now you are not going to become the next Elon Musk overnight, but with focus and consistency, you can stack up real USD and cash it out safely using Airtm, which connects to hundreds of payout methods globally. So whether you are a student, a freelancer just starting out, or you just want an extra dollar stream on the side, this video right here is for you. Alright, let's get into the real deal. Here are the platforms that are actually paying right now and how you can use Airtm to collect your earnings without headaches. Let's start with the simplest one. If you've ever solved those annoying select all traffic light captchas, then congratulations, you already have the skills for this one. 2Captcha is a platform that literally pays you to solve captchas. It might sound funny, but companies use this data to train automation systems and improve web security. So here is how it works. You sign up on 2Captcha, complete your registration and start solving captchas, either text or image based ones. You earn a few cents for each task. It looks small, but when you scale it up or let it run over time, it adds up. The beautiful part is that 2Captcha pays in USD and you can withdraw your balance through Airtm easily. That means once you hit your minimum payout, you can move the money straight into your Airtm wallet and convert it into your local currency or even withdraw to your local bank. Think of it as passive micro work. You don't need experience and you can start right after watching this video. Next up is CrowdGen, and one of the most underrated crowd tasking platforms online. It connects you to small digital tasks like rating AI responses, categorizing data, tagging content, or giving feedback on digital ads. Every completed task earns you USD and payment can be made through PayPal, Airtm, or other e-wallets. The great thing about CrowdGen is that you are not just doing random stuff. Many of the tasks are helping improve AI models and search systems. So not only are you earning, but you are part of the futures of tech. Just make sure to verify your profile properly so you can access more tasks and better rates. And yes, when it's time to cash out, Airtm lets you receive your USD instantly and convert it however you want. So I got a question for you. If you can earn $10 a day just by using your phone or laptop for 1 hour, what will you spend your first $100 on? Drop it in the comment section below. I'm really curious. Will you buy data, save it, invest it, or take yourself out for some shawarma or suya and ice cream? Let's see who is really planning smart. Now the next one, Enably, is one of the easiest, most flexible platforms for beginners. On Enably, you can make money by watching videos, completing surveys, trying out apps, or referring friends. Each task earns you points, and those points can be redeemed as PayPal cash, Airtm credit, or gift card. What people really love about Enably is that it's not time limited. You can literally open it during your free time, between classes, work breaks, or even while watching Netflix and earn at your pace. Once your earnings hit the withdrawal limit, you can transfer the USD to Airtm and cash out to your bank or use it for online shopping. It's a perfect entry point for anyone who wants to test online earning without deep technical skills. Now, if you love mobile apps and games, this next one is for you. Givi is fun, gamified earning app that pays you for completing small tasks, watching ads, and participating in mini games. The interface feels like a fun app, but every activity you do earns you real cents that add up in USD. Once you reach the payout threshold, you can withdraw through Airtm or other supported wallets. People use it as casual side hustle, especially when waiting in traffic or chilling after work. and it's surprisingly reliable. Givi has processed thousands of payouts over the years. If you are consistent, you can stack up $20 to $50 monthly just from small tasks. Last but not the least, let's talk about Nivo. This one is a favorite for anyone who wants slightly higher paying tasks. Nivo connects you to projects like voice recording for AI assistant, image labeling, or grammar and transcription reviews. It's like data entry 2.0 but for the AI era. Each task is paid in USD, and when you are done, you can receive your payment through Airtm, which gives you full control over your funds. What I personally love about Nivo is that the projects are meaningful. You are not just clicking buttons, you are training voice models, improving AI tools, and helping tech companies test real products. So it's good money and good impact. Now let's talk about the real MVP that ties all of this together: Airtm. If you've used any of these websites I just mentioned, you will quickly realize one big problem. Most of them pay in USD, but they don't support direct Nigerian bank withdrawals. And that's exactly where Airtm comes in. Airtm acts as your digital dollar wallet. It lets you receive USD from these platforms, hold it in your account, and then withdraw it however you like. Maybe local bank, crypto, you name it. You can even exchange with verified pairs, which are known as cashiers, inside Airtm system for the best rates. It's like having your own financial plug that speaks every payment language. And since Airtm supports over 400 withdrawals and deposit methods, you are never stuck. These 5 websites are perfect if you are looking for a small, steady online income that actually pays in dollars. To capture CrowdGen, Enably, Givi, Nivo. But the real key to making it work is having a reliable cash out system, and that's where Airtm saves the day. Whether you are in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, or anywhere in Africa, Airtm gives you the freedom to earn, hold, and withdraw USD safely. So if you've been looking for a smooth way to convert your online hustle into real spendable money, this is your sign. Anyways, if you don't have an Airtm account, the video that just appeared next to me will guide you through, and I have attached the link in the description as well, so you can create your Airtm account and start cashing out confidently. And don't forget, like this video, drop a comment telling me which platform you will try first, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Until then, stay sharp, stay consistent, and remember, whatever you do, never stop making money.